Good morning, everyone. This is a quick tutorial on Revit and how to control line weights and the basic settings. I'm here in Revit 2016. I can start with any particular template file. It could be architectural, structural, so on and so forth. Once the Revit project is open, you can head over to Manage, head over to Additional Settings, and go to Line Weights. The way this window is set up is it has several tabs: Model Line, Perspective Line, and Annotation Line Weights. As you click a tab, the panel inside changes and gives you the controls that you need. For example, under Model Line Weights, there are weights, if you will, 1 through 16. So when an object has a line weight, if you say of 4, it looks at that number 4, it looks at the object, it looks at the particular scale of the view, and let's say, for example, 1/8 inch, the object will then get printed, physical printed thickness of 0.0120 inches. Any of these cells you can adjust. You can type in whatever you want. You have scales here. You can add more scales if you want to as well. So let's see, we have 1 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/8 of an inch. We have 1/16, so I can even add, for example, 3/16 of an inch. Hit OK. Now it's added. The information that's listed in here will default to the 1 inch is equal to a foot dimension here. So you're going to have to manually go in and make the necessary tweaks and adjustments for the sizes that you need. That's model line weights, meaning the line weight of an actual 3D model object that it's looking at. Perspective line weights are lines that you see in perspective view. And so any objects that have a particular number designation will print in this particular size. And then lastly, any annotation that you have, text, dimensions, leaders, annotation markers, elevation, section, call out, things like that, also have value as well and their respective physical printed size. So you can tweak and adjust these as well. Once you make all the necessary changes that you need, you hit OK, and that information is now stored and set up in this particular Revit project. And that's it. That's how you can control line weights